Hello, I'm Sophia, the event producer at QUBE Events, and today I have the pleasure to be speaking with Kamran Hedjri, Group CEO at PXP Financial. Thank you for joining me today, Kamran.
It's a pleasure. Thank you, Sophia, for
Thank you.
inviting me to this interview. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. It's a pleasure to have you. So you're going to be joining our 13th NextGen Payments RegTech Forum, which is taking place in Zurich, Switzerland on the 8th and 9th of May. And you're joining us as a panelist on the discussion of payments innovation. I'm really looking forward to have you joining us for this panel discussion. We're just going to give a little teaser in regards to the event today. So first of all, can I ask, what's some of your background on your experience within payments?
Good question. I've been around the payment industry or the area of payment processing since '94. I started back in Europay MasterCard, and that's where I started to my career as a passionate payment expert, right? So and I learned everything about card processing, and it was an interesting time to be at the MasterCard. Back then we started with the predecessor of 3DS, and it was called back then SET. And then 2000 I started to build up different various companies in the area of issuing and acquiring, and it was the PSD1 and then the PSD2. Started to get the PI licenses, e-money licenses, become a principal member of Visa, MasterCard, and worked in various companies in order to build up various companies in order to build up contribute to the value chain of the payment. And now fast forward 2023, I'm still at it, and I'm still as passionate as the first day I started in the payments.
I love that. So you've got really, really great experience. You're definitely the person we want to be listening to at this event, and taking on board all of the expertise that you've built over the years. When discussing the topic of payments innovation, what are your predictions for the coming year?
I think it's, again, I always say this is the most exciting time, but I've been saying it, since '94, as I alluded to it earlier, right? But it's really exciting time, right? And every time I'm surprised how much more advanced and how much more things coming our way, and every time it's different, right? This year, I think 2023, when we think about it, right, there is a lot of digital wallet adoptions are going to happen, right? This is the year that you see more and more of these digital wallets increasing their shares, right? Like the Apple Pays and Google Pays and Samsung Pays, and Alipay was there anyway, but that increases, right? So I think there is an estimation suggesting that 1.6 billion global consumers will pay using a digital wallet, right, at the point of sales. And that's actually 30% of the POS payments, right? So it's quite an increase, and the big adoptions in that direction, right?
Absolutely.
And you see with that coming, right, there is also a modernization of the point of sales are coming, right? The soft POS and the MPOS was there anyway, the smart POS, the whole industry starts to actually adapt to that, and the soft POS will play a bigger role, right? And let's not forget about the open banking, right? And open finance, and the open banking started in a very good way, and the PSD2 was an accelerator, and PSD3 is coming, and all the open finance topics will be also a relevant topics that is going to come our way. And last but not least, I think regulation on the crypto and digital assets are going to be also on our radar more and more, and then there will be a more clarity around that, hopefully, that over the next few years, that CBDCs and those areas, there will be also a good progress on that one.
Absolutely. And so you and your fellow panelists will go into that in more detail
Yeah,
on the full panel discussion on the day of the event. So
yeah,
that's
absolutely.
really exciting. Thinking about the point on strategies for success, what is one of your key strategies?
Well, I mean, for me as a person, or as a PXP, a provider for the market. So I can tell you, at me as a person,
Yeah,
is actually quality of life, right? And not
yeah, absolutely.
getting to not have fun is not good thing, right? So just focus
Yeah,
on the family and giving yourself a work-life balance. So that's the strategy for me. That's
I
a
love it.
successful strategy, right? But
Absolutely.
let's go to the other part, right? Which
Yeah.
is the strategy of the company PXP. We are very much very much thinking about open banking, right?
Okay.
And putting that, pushing that forward, right? We
Hmm.
want to play a role on that one, and we're investing in that direction, and we will work with, we are with multiple verticals, right? Retail, and you're in the uh, gambling and gaming industry. So where the regulated gaming gambling is also a very, very innovative area. They push you to come up with good solutions on that one, and making sure that we have got a role to play there, and bring those innovation to the market. And
Yeah.
we are innovative acquiring card, right? So on the card side, then we will have also innovation on that. How do we actually improve the transactions, the frictionless payments that goes through our systems, and
Yeah.
contribute even more to that one. uh, Focus is basically on our merchants and their experience, and on their businesses, how to grow their business together with us. That's where we're going to, put a lot of focus on that one.
That's great. Thank you so much. We really look forward to seeing you at the event. It's going to be a great couple of days. Yeah, so thank you so much for your
Um,
information, and we'll see you soon.
Thank you very much, Sophia.
Thanks.
I'm
Take
looking
care.
forward to see you there.
You too. Bye.
Bye.